Hey, Sarah. How's it going?
Hey, Lucy. I'm good, thanks. Just enjoying my morning coffee. How about you?
Same here. I've been trying to improve my daily habits lately. Do you have any tips?
Absolutely. I've found that setting a morning routine really helps. I make sure to wake up at the same time every day, do some stretches, and have a healthy breakfast.
That sounds great. I struggle with consistency, so maybe having a routine will help.
Definitely. Also, scheduling regular exercise is important. I try to go for a walk or a quick workout every day.
I've been meaning to incorporate exercise into my routine. It's just hard to find the motivation.
I totally get it. Maybe we can be workout buddies and keep each other on track.
That sounds like a great idea. Having someone to hold me accountable will definitely help. Thanks, Sarah.
Of course. Anytime. Let's make it a habit to encourage each other and stay on track with our goals.
Agreed. Let's do this.
Hey there, Nicole. How's your morning going?
Good morning, Sarah. It's going great so far. I just finished my morning ritual and I feel so energized.
That's fantastic. What does your morning ritual include?
Well, first I start with a few minutes of meditation to set a peaceful tone for the day. Then I do some gentle stretching to wake up my body, followed by a nutritious breakfast and a big glass of water.
That sounds amazing. I always struggle to establish a morning routine. Any tips for getting started?
Absolutely. I'd suggest starting with small, achievable habits, like making your bed or enjoying a cup of tea before diving into the day. And give yourself some grace in the process. It's all about progress, not perfection.
I love that idea. I'll definitely give it a try. Thanks for the inspiration, Nicole.
You're welcome, Sarah. Let me know how it goes. Creating a morning ritual has really changed my life for the better.
I will, for sure. Here's to a great morning and a great day ahead.
Good morning, Mike. I can't start my day without a good book. It's such an important part of my routine.
Really? I never considered reading as part of my daily habits.
You should. It's a great way to start the day with some quiet time, and it helps me to relax and focus.
I usually just check my emails or watch the news in the morning. How do you find the time to read?
I like to wake up a bit earlier so that I can spend some time with my book before the hustle and bustle of the day begins. It's become a cherished part of my morning routine.
That sounds lovely. I'll give it a try. Any book recommendations?
Oh, plenty. I can share some of my favorite titles with you. Reading is not just a hobby, it's a habit that can enrich your day. It helps me stay informed, learn new things, and escape into different worlds. Give it a shot, Mike.
I will, Jane. Thanks for the advice.
Alex, I don't know how to keep up with all my assignments and deadlines. I feel so overwhelmed.
Have you considered using a planner? It can really help you stay organized and manage your time effectively.
I've never been much of a planner person, but I'm willing to give it a try if it will help me stay on top of things.
Trust me, it's a game changer. I use my planner every day and it has made a huge difference in my productivity.
How do you make it a habit to use it every day?
I treat it as a non-negotiable part of my routine. Every morning, I sit down with my planner and map out my day. It helps me prioritize tasks and keeps me from forgetting important deadlines.
That sounds really helpful. I'll definitely give it a try. Do you have any recommendations on planner brands?
I personally love using digital planners, but there are also great options for paper planners. It's all about finding what works best for you.
Thanks, Alex. I'll start looking into getting a planner right away.
I've really been enjoying my morning workouts lately. It's become such a beneficial daily habit for me.
Absolutely, Sarah. Daily exercise has so many benefits. It boosts energy, enhances mood, and improves overall health.
It's true. I've noticed a significant increase in my energy levels and mental clarity since I started exercising regularly.
Plus, incorporating physical activity into your daily routine helps reduce the risk of chronic diseases and improves your sleep quality.
I've also read that exercise can even enhance cognitive function and memory. It's amazing how something as simple as daily exercise can have such a profound impact on our lives.
Definitely. It's all about establishing healthy habits and making them a priority.
Absolutely. And with the variety of sports and activities available, there's something out there for everyone.
That's for sure. Whether it's yoga, running, or swimming, finding something you enjoy makes it easier to stick to a daily routine.
Definitely. Daily exercise has become a non-negotiable for me. It's such an important part of my day now.
Same here, Sarah. It's amazing how something so simple can have such a positive impact on our lives.
You know, I've been reading a lot about the importance of the first hour in the day. It seems like it sets the tone for the rest of our day.
Really? How so?
Well, starting the day with a positive and productive routine can really boost our energy and mindset for the whole day.
That makes sense. I usually tend to snooze my alarm and rush through my mornings.
Yeah, many people do that. But imagine if we wake up, meditate for a few minutes, exercise, and have a nutritious breakfast. It can make a huge difference.
I never thought about it that way. I'll definitely give it a try. But it's hard to break old habits.
It might be difficult initially, but the rewards are worth it. Just take small steps to make gradual changes. It's all about forming new habits.
You're right. I'll start by setting my alarm 15 minutes earlier and go from there.
That sounds like a great plan. Let's help each other stick to it.